This is going to blow your mind. Are you looking to increase your landing page conversions? Just as a tidy home brings peace and joy, a well-designed landing page can spark joy in your visitors and lead them to convert. One often overlooked aspect is the choice of fonts and colors, which can profoundly impact your message's clarity and appeal. Join me as we explore this exciting world, presented by landingpagefonts.com, where we'll discover how to make your landing pages truly spark joy. Helvetica, like a well-organized drawer, offers a sense of calm and clarity. Its clean lines and neutral personality make it incredibly versatile, suitable for a wide range of websites. When you use Helvetica, you're choosing a font that speaks to your visitors with a quiet confidence, allowing your message to shine through without distraction. Consider Helvetica if you aim for a timeless and professional look that inspires trust and encourages engagement. Its simplicity sparks a sense of order, making visitors feel comfortable and more likely to stay on your page. Remember, a clutter-free mind, just like a clean typeface, leads to better decision-making. Arial is like that trusty set of socks you reach for every day, reliable, comfortable, and always there for you. In the world of web design, Arial is your dependable choice, ensuring readability across various browsers and devices. It may not be the most exciting font, but its familiarity brings a sense of calm and ease to your visitors. Choosing Arial is like tidying up your website's wardrobe. It presents a clean and organized look, allowing your content to take center stage. Its simplicity doesn't distract from your message, but rather enhances its clarity, guiding visitors through your content with effortless ease. Imagine settling into a comfortable armchair with a captivating book. That's the feeling Georgia evokes on your website. This elegant serif font is like a warm embrace, inviting visitors to linger and delve deeper into your content. Its classic design adds a touch of sophistication, especially suited for professional sites and long-form articles. Just as decluttering your bookshelf allows you to appreciate each book fully, Georgia's clear letter forms and generous spacing enhance readability, making it a joy to read lengthy texts. It's like providing your visitors with a cozy reading nook, encouraging them to relax and absorb your message fully. Verdana is like a breath of fresh air, designed specifically for the web to ensure optimal readability on screens. Its open letter forms and generous spacing create a sense of airiness, making it perfect for user interfaces where clarity is paramount. When you choose Verdana, you prioritize your visitors' comfort, offering them a smooth and enjoyable reading experience. It's like opening the windows of your website, letting the light in, and creating a welcoming atmosphere that invites interaction. Roboto is like a versatile set of building blocks, adaptable, modern, and capable of creating a cohesive look across your entire website. Its geometric forms and friendly curves lend a contemporary feel, while its range of weights allows for clear hierarchy and emphasis. Whether used for headings or body text, Roboto maintains its clarity and readability, guiding visitors through your content with ease. It's like having a well-organized toolbox, equipped to handle any design challenge while maintaining a consistent and visually appealing aesthetic. Open Sans is like a friendly face in a crowd. Its widespread popularity speaks volumes about its readability and versatility. This open-source font brings a sense of familiarity and approachability, making it suitable for a wide range of websites and audiences. Just as surrounding yourself with loved ones brings comfort, choosing Open Sans creates a welcoming and inclusive atmosphere for your visitors. Its neutrality allows your content to shine through, fostering a sense of connection and trust. Lotto is like a perfectly tailored suit, sleek, modern, and radiating professionalism. Its semi-rounded letter forms strike a balance between formality and approachability, making it an ideal choice for corporate websites and businesses aiming for a polished online presence. Choosing Lotto is like adding a touch of sophistication to your website's wardrobe. It conveys confidence and attention to detail, sparking a sense of trust and credibility in your visitors. Comic Sans is like that quirky friend who's always the life of the party. While its informal and playful nature might be fitting for personal projects or lighthearted content, it's best to approach it with caution in a professional setting. Imagine wearing a Hawaiian shirt to a business meeting. It might raise eyebrows and detract from the message you're trying to convey. Similarly, using Comic Sans on a website aimed at establishing credibility or professionalism could undermine your efforts. Papyrus is like a relic from a bygone era, intriguing to look at but not practical for everyday use. While its distinctive style might evoke a sense of history and mystery, it's important to remember that readability should always come first on the web. Imagine trying to read an entire book written in hieroglyphics. It would be a tiring and frustrating experience. Similarly, using papyrus for large amounts of text on your website could alienate visitors and hinder their ability to engage with your content. Courier, like a vintage typewriter, has its charm but might not be the best choice for a modern website. Its monospaced nature, while nostalgic, can hinder readability, especially for lengthy texts. Imagine receiving a handwritten letter in all caps. It would be difficult to decipher and tiring to read. Similarly, using Courier extensively on your website could lead to a less enjoyable user experience. Impact is like a bold statement piece, attention-grabbing but potentially overwhelming if overused. While its large and heavy letter forms can be effective for headings or short bursts of text, using it for body copy could create a jarring and unpleasant reading experience. Imagine walking into a room painted entirely in neon colors. It would be visually overwhelming and difficult to focus. Similarly, using impact excessively on your website could hinder readability and create a sense of visual clutter. Brush script, like a beautiful calligraphy inscription, can add a touch of elegance and personality to your website. However, it's important to use it sparingly and strategically, considering the potential impact on readability. Imagine receiving a wedding invitation written entirely in elaborate calligraphy. While visually stunning, it might require extra effort to decipher. Similarly, using brush script excessively on your website, especially for body text, could hinder readability and frustrate visitors. Times New Roman, like a well-worn novel, evokes a sense of familiarity and tradition. While it remains a popular choice for print materials, it's essential to consider its suitability for the web, where readability and screen resolution play a crucial role. Imagine trying to read a newspaper printed in a small and cramped font. It would strain your eyes and make for an unpleasant reading experience. Similarly, using Times New Roman for long-form web content without adjusting its size and spacing could lead to eye fatigue and reduced engagement. Jokerman, like a playful jester, can add a touch of whimsy and personality to your designs. However, its informal and decorative nature makes it better suited for specific projects rather than general website use. Imagine wearing a clown costume to a business meeting. It might not convey the professional image you're aiming for. Similarly, using Jokerman extensively on a website designed to establish credibility or seriousness could detract from your message and confuse visitors. As we've discovered, choosing the right fonts and colors is like tidying up your landing page, creating a welcoming and engaging experience for your visitors. Just as each item in our homes should spark joy, each element on your website should contribute to a positive and memorable user experience. For more insights and resources on optimizing your landing pages for conversions, visit landingpagefonts.com.there. You'll find a wealth of information to help you make informed decisions about fonts, colors, and other design elements that can elevate your online presence. Remember, a well-designed landing page is a joy to behold and can significantly impact your conversion rates. Optimize your landing page today for better conversions. Visit landingpagefonts.com.